Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my journey and experiences with you. Do follow along. You can join me on this journey by hitting that subscribe and like button. Also leave a comment and let me know what you think about today's video. Today we are going to make these gingerbread man. I have given this one a rather toothy smile, but it's okay. And this one is plain. We have not done anything with it. Now it's a blank canvas. You can do whatever you want with them and they are very easy to make. So let's jump into our video and start. These are essentially just two circles and the limbs are made using double crochet. So we have joined two circles and made limbs using double crochet, and then you can decorate however you want. So they are very easy and you can make them quickly and easily. I am using this color which matches a gingerbread man, and of course you can use whatever color you want to make your gingerbread man. So we'll start by making a slip knot and then making a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join first and last stitch with a slip stitch, and now we will make in total 12 double crochet in this circle, and we'll start by making chain 3. This will be our first double crochet. Now keep your count and make in total 11 double crochet, and this will be our 12th. So let's count together. This is second, and we are crocheting above our tail as well. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. 2 more. And then we will join with the first chain 3 and make a circle. So this is our circle. We'll cut our yarn, start the next round. I'm not secure. I will hide it after I finish making my gingerbread man. And again we'll do the same thing. Slip knot, chain 4, circle by joining first and last stitch, chain 3, and in total 12 double crochet, and we will crochet above our tail as well. So you can finish this on your own, I'm sure. This is third one and fourth. 12, and we will join with the first chain 3. Now we will not cut the yarn, in fact we will chain 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and in the third chain 1 2 3 in the back hump, this I have turned my chain, and in the back hump I will make a double crochet, and I will continue making double crochets in all the back humps. We are making the leg. All you need to know to make these gingerbread men are chain and double crochet. And in the last one, and then we will leave one stitch and slip stitch in the next one, and again we will make 9 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Turn your chain, and in third hump make your first double crochet, and again you will make double crochets in all the back hump along your chain. This will be second leg. And after finishing your stitches, your double crochets, leave one stitch and then slip stitch, and continue making slip stitches along. Make 2 slip stitches in next 2 stitches, and when you reach the third one, again make a chain. This time we are making a chain of 7, which will be our arm. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Again we will turn our chain, and in the third hump we will make a double crochets. We will slip stitch into the next stitch, and again we will continue to slip stitch, make 2 slip stitches, and into the third one again make your chain of 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Turn your work, and in the third hump start making your double crochets. So if you are having trouble in counting your slip stitches, making your slip stitches along the body of the gingerbread man, one stitch up or down is not a big deal in great scheme of things. I hope none of our friends will sit and count if our gingerbread men are symmetrical. I hope we have good friends, kind friends. And then again you will leave one stitch and a slip stitch. Now I will cut my yarn The longer ones are the leg and the shorter ones are the arms. Now we can attach the head to the torso body. So put both torso and body together, and we will use, I'm using a smaller hook. You can also use tapestry needle, and between arms I will use slip stitch to join the both. A couple of stitches at least will be enough to hold the body and head together. So at least 2 or 3 stitches will be enough. Secure the tail. Let's hide all these tails, and then we can move on to the next step. Now that we have finished hiding all the tails, we can start decorating it. You can keep it simple. You can try to make a face. You can even let, if you have children and you want to keep them busy, let them decorate it with fabric paint or however they want to. Or you can, like I am going to do now, you can slip stitch along the outline, like as if we have done icing on a real cookie. So let's start from armhole. We will do the slip stitch from armhole. Take a loop and for the first stitch we will pick up both tail ends and into the next stitch remember we have already done slip stitch once along the edges when we were making arms and legs, so you might find it hard to find the stitch, and I will continue in this way. Go into the stitch, pick up a loop and just pass it through your stitch, or others pick up a loop and pass it through the loop which is already on your crochet hook. We are not going to increase the number of stitches, we are just going to do it like this. You can do this thing with needle as well, tapestry needle, whatever you find convenient and easy, use that method of course. I will finish it and then I will show you the final look. I'm not going to try and make a face because once is enough to give me nightmare. And I will quickly finish it and then I will show it to you. Here is my gingerbread man with its icing, and I think it looks the best. This poor soul with its crooked teeth is a face only a mother can love. So this is our boy band of gingerbread man. I hope you will have fun making these very easy, beginner friendly gingerbread men and decorate your tree, your fireplace with them, hang them around your windows and have fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Just write gingerbread man if you can't think of anything else, and this will let me know that you have seen the video. And I'll see you next time. Take care.